Welcome to MSC World Europa. This balcony room is in MSC Yacht Club balcony room. This room is on deck 21. Room number 21014. This is our tour of this room. There is a slot to put your key card in so you have power to the room. Also there is a touch panel to control the AC. Double wardrobe.
Neon nights on the dance floor. Neon nights.
Nice size bathroom with walking shower but no bath.
Dance tonight. Neon nights, people loving, living, loving, living. Neon nights, stargazing, dancing, romancing. Tonight, starstruck. Love struck. Moon.
There is a nice large wall mirror. There is a king-size bed which was very comfortable. We are now in a nice size room with tea and coffee making facility. There is a living area with a double sofa, chair and table. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
Struck. Just struck.
A large flat TV.
I say neon nights on the dance floor. We're dancing tonight. Neon nights on the dance floor. Gotta dance all night, gotta dance all night, gotta dance in the neon nights tonight. Neon nights on the dance floor.
The fringe is fully stocked, and they fill it up twice a day, and you can ask them to stock it with drinks you like.
Neon nights, dance tonight. Neon nights, people loving, living, loving, living. Neon nights, stargazing, dancing, romancing. Tonight, starstruck, love struck. Moonstruck.
There is a good sized balcony with 2 chairs and a table.
Just struck. I say neon nights on the dance floor. We're dancing tonight. Neon nights on the dance floor.
If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell.
Neon nights on the dance floor. Neon nights.